Welcome to our in-depth review and comparison of Amazon's top-selling power washers. When it comes to maintaining a spotless home exterior, driveway, or patio, a reliable power washer can be your best ally. For homeowners, selecting the right model can make all the difference, and with so many choices available, deciding which power washer suits your needs can be time-consuming. In this video, we'll break down the features, pros, and cons of 3 of the top-selling power washers using verified buyer feedback to guide our insights. For your convenience, product links are included in the description. First, we have the LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. It boasts an impressive 4,200 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute capacity, making it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Equipped with 4 quick-connect nozzles and a foam cannon, this machine caters to various needs, from cleaning cars to driveways and patios. Let's look at its strengths and weaknesses. High pounds per square inch and gallons per minute. This pressure washer delivers powerful cleaning performance for tough stains and grime. Foam cannon enhances car washing by producing dense foam for effective cleaning. Versatile nozzles. The 4 quick connect tips allow you to adjust the pressure for different surfaces without risking damage. Durable build. Its heavy-duty construction makes it a dependable option for frequent use. Value for money. Combines premium performance with an affordable price tag. Noise level. Some users report it's on the louder side during operation. Limited accessories. While effective, it lacks some of the advanced features of competitors. The LWQ pressure washer is best suited for homeowners requiring high pressure for demanding outdoor cleaning tasks. Its straightforward functionality and high power performance make it a strong contender. Next, for those seeking ultimate power and efficiency, the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer offers a phenomenal 5,000 psi and 3.0 gallons per minute. Designed for intensive cleaning tasks, this model is packed with features to streamline your cleaning experience. Unmatched power. Its 5,000 psi easily handles even the most entrenched dirt, perfect for large driveways or extensive fences. Enhanced foam cannon ensures thorough cleaning, especially for vehicles and delicate surfaces. Pressure tips variety customizes the spray to suit multiple surfaces, from delicate windows to sturdy concrete. Compact design. Despite its power, this model is relatively easy to store and maneuver. Overkill for small tasks. Its immense power may not be necessary for light cleaning jobs. The PowRyte is an excellent choice for those looking to invest in a professional-grade power washer. However, unless you frequently handle large or heavily soiled areas, the extra power may be more than you need. Now the last contender. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 caters perfectly to homeowners looking for a user-friendly yet effective pressure washer. It combines solid cleaning capacity with thoughtful design features like anti-tipping technology and a pro-style wand for precise control. Anti-tipping design ensures stability during operation, minimizing accidents or interruptions. Onboard soap tank simplifies the process of applying detergent for car washing or patio cleaning. Efficient water flow offers a good balance between performance and water conservation. Pro-style wands and nozzles allows for better control and flexibility depending on cleaning requirements. Compact and lightweight, ideal for homeowners who need something easy to handle and store. Lower PSI. While effective for light to medium-duty tasks, it may not be sufficient for heavily soiled surfaces. Not for heavy-duty use. Better suited for occasional, light cleaning rather than frequent, high-demand tasks. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 is an excellent pick if you prefer a user-friendly power washer for regular household cleaning tasks. Its portability and features make it a popular choice for families and first-time users. Here's a quick breakdown of the top features for each power washer. LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. Best for heavy-duty cleaning with high PSI and balanced price performance. PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer. Leading in power and efficiency. Built for serious cleaning jobs. Westinghouse EPX 3500. Best for ease of use, stability, and regular maintenance tasks. After evaluating their strengths and weaknesses, here's our conclusion. If you're a homeowner in need of intense cleaning power for large areas or heavily soiled surfaces, the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer is a premium choice. Its unparalleled PSI and gallons per minute ensure top-tier results. For those looking for a balance of performance and affordability, the LWQ Electric Pressure Washer is a great option, offering high pressure and versatility without breaking the bank. If you prioritize ease of use for regular tasks like washing cars or patios, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 shines with its stable design and user-friendly features. Ultimately, homeowners should select the model that best matches their cleaning needs and frequency of use. Thank you for joining us. If this guide helped you decide on the perfect power washer, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the links in the description for more detailed reviews on each product. Stay tuned for more tips and product comparisons tailored to homeowners like you.